Today on the Insanity calendar, it's called National Do Lunch with Your Dog Day, May 15th. So we're going to see which one of these animal parts the Insanity dog likes the best. But first, we got to see what he thinks of this. I got a cutout. I got a big old cutout of a pupper, okay? Naturally, I wanted to cut it out all the way, but it's like triple thick cardboard, so that's not going to happen. But I'm going to let out the Insanity dog and see how he reacts. What do you think? We got a new puppy. All right, let's see what we got for the Insanity dog. Beef liver treats, beef heart treats, 100% beef hearts, duck, bone and organs, chicken, organs and bones, and then we do have 98% rabbit. Okay, now this one's technically for cats, but you're supposed to rehydrate it and give to your cats. We got 5 Insanity cats, not one of them would touch it. But the Insanity dog has tried this one. He loves this one. He has not tried the other 4. I'm gonna put him under coconuts. This should work, right? I see if he goes toward a certain one. Now what am I gonna eat for National Take Your Dog to Lunch Day? I'm gonna eat an expired apple pie because like 3 days ago was National Apple Pie Day. Thumbs up, be right back. All right, we're joined by an Insanity cat named Bert. I just put him in alphabetical order starting here. This is your beef liver, beef hearts, literally dehydrated beef hearts, chicken, duck, rabbit. There you go. I'm telling you, they hate it. They hate it. Okay, I'm going to set this out here, and then we're going to get the Insanity dog for National Take Your Dog to Lunch Day. Be right back. Come here. Oh, he's definitely trying to get the beefs. You want the beefs? Where's the beef? That's not the beef. That's the chicken. What do you think? Chicken? Ducks? What the duck, dude? Rabbits? Duck season. Rabbit season. Beef livers. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to eat a pie. Isn't this fun? Isn't this fun having lunch? I still want more. Alexa, can dogs eat apples?
Yes, dogs can eat apples. They're full of vitamins. But I see you there. You're holding a sugar-coated apple pie, not apples.
There you go, dude. You don't want that. You want to come back now. Puppy. Come here. Beef hearts. 100% coagulated dehydrated beef hearts. Captain Beefheart. Happy lunch day. Say goodbye to the people. Goodbye, people.